Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding and deleting home screens on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To add a new home screen, hold down on an empty space on your home screen until this menu appears. Swipe to the right until you see the plus page and tap on the plus icon. Your new home screen page will be created immediately. You can hold down and drag any apps you would like over to your new home screen. To delete a home screen, hold down on an empty space on the home screen to open up this menu. Swipe to the right until you find the home screen you would like to delete. Tap the trash icon at the top of the home screen. Tap delete on the pop-up. Your home screen is now deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.